How do you know if your double glazing has actually failed? There's one clear sign almost everyone misses at first. And the good news is, the fix is often cheaper and simpler than replacing the whole window. Let's go through what to look for. The big one is misting. If you see condensation or a cloudy haze trapped between the two panes, the sort you can't wipe away from inside or out, the seal has failed and let moisture get in. That's the clearest sign of all. You'll often feel it before you see it. Once that seal goes, the insulating gas between the panes leaks out, so the window stops holding heat. You'll notice cold spots, the odd draft, and more condensation on the inside on cold mornings. And here's the reassuring part. In most cases, you don't need a whole new window. A glazier can replace just the sealed glass unit and keep your existing frame, which is far cheaper. Get a couple of quotes and check the installer is registered. So if you spot misting between the panes, the seal's gone. But it's usually just the glass unit that needs swapping. We explain how to get it sorted at Axiom Eco Homes. Subscribe for more.